constantly getting the couldn't sign in error message with your Apple ID on your iPhone? Don't worry. Follow only these quick ways to solve your problem. So let's get into this video. Solution 1. Verify your Apple ID and password. Double check that you are entering the correct Apple ID and password. Remember that Apple IDs are care sensitive. Solution 2. Check your internet connection. If your internet connection is weak and intermittent, it may cause issues with signing in. So you can enable airplane mode, or you can switch your mobile data or Wi-Fi to mobile data. Solution 3. Log into iCloud website. Open browser. Now type iCloud.com. Enter your Apple ID, enter your password, and check your issues. Solution 4. If you still have issues, contact Apple support immediately. To do that, open browser, type Apple support, tap the contact option, scroll down, tap Apple ID, scroll down, tap other Apple ID topics. Scroll down, now type couldn't sign in. Tap connect. Now you will most likely have two options. Now you can either call them or you can message them and you can tell them to fix your issues. I'll select message. Now I will be connected with a live agent. Once you get connected, send a screenshot of your problem. After that, you will verify your Apple ID and this will fix your issues. After doing this, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.